Aussie, 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 oi. Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie.
By you and Waddy, you're a lie, you're a lie, you're a lie. You're a lie, you're a lie, you're a lie. By me gun, you're not, you're a lie. Yeah, by you and Waddy, you're a lie, you're a lie, you're a lie. You're a lie, you're a lie, you're a lie. By me gun, you're not, you're a lie. Yeah, by you and
G'day kids, Aussie here. Today we've got a really exciting and a very important episode because we're going to learn all about Aboriginal culture. And to talk us through the culture and the connection to country, I'm joined by Undi, a Gamilaroi boy from Dinawan's Connections. Undi, thanks for having us here today.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Thanks for having me.
Undi, if we're going to teach Aussie and the kids all about Aboriginal culture, where do we start?
Well, I think we start by an acknowledgement first.
Okay, and what does that mean?
Well, it's about giving respect, and it's giving respect to the land that we're on, okay? And it's giving respect to those Aboriginal people and those senior people, those elders that have gone before us.
Fantastic. And can you take us through the process?
So we start off by acknowledging country, okay? There's 250 language groups within Australia, okay? And so today we're on Wadi country. So we'll start off by acknowledging Wadi country. We pay respect to the land and we pay respects to the elders, both past, present and future.
Fantastic. So that's our acknowledgement to country.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a great way to start. So what's the next step? What's a really important thing that you can teach Aussie and the kids?
Yeah, well, something that's really, really powerful and that has been done for thousands and thousands of years is going through a smoking ceremony.
Great. And what's a smoking ceremony look like and what's involved? Because I'd really love you to show Aussie and the kids at home.
Yeah, well, it's a beautiful ceremony to go through, okay? And what it does is when you're coming onto country, okay, we want to get rid of all that bad energy, okay? Because we want to bring positive and positive energy with us, okay? So we start off by lighting a fire, okay? We collect leaves, okay, from trees,
Okay.
and we make sure we do it respectfully,
Great.
okay? And then what we do is we burn those leaves, it creates smoke, and that smoke then cleanses us. So it's a cleansing ceremony, it's a cleansing process.
Great. Okay, so the guys are getting ready here. They've got their white ochre and they're painting up their bodies, and that's part of the culture and the traditions. Undi, what is the significance of the white ochre?
We get ochre from Mother Earth, and Mother Earth provides us with absolutely everything that we need, okay? When we have put our ochre on, that's us connecting back to Mother, okay? So we wear this when we do ceremony, when we do dance, so it's really something that really powerful, okay? Something that we can just give back to Mother.
So it's all about that connection
Yeah.
to Earth.
Yeah, it is. Would you like to put some on, Aussie?
Oh, I'd absolutely love some.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Hands out. Look at that. Beautiful. And nice one.
Undi, what have you got there and what are you using to start the fire?
Yeah, cool. So we've got 2 grass trees, okay? So these are found all over the south coast here, okay? And you'll see the grass tree, when they grow a spear, okay? Almost like a big spear plant like that.
Okay, yep.
Okay, and when that dies off and dries out, boom, we break that off, and that's our fire stick. That's the drill, that's the other end of it. Make a little hole there like that, put that in there, and we start to spin. That'll create friction,
Yep.
okay, so it'll get really, really hot in there, okay? And then you'll start to find ambers, and those ambers will fall in to this bark.
Wow.
Okay, so this is just bark off a tree. It's really grinded up like that. Okay, ambers will fall in there and it'll start to smoke. And then that's where we'll get fire.
And so that's the traditional way of starting a fire.
That's the traditional way. So Aussie, this is going to take a little bit of hard work. Okay, so what we're going to do is have a couple of spins and we're going to go around the circle so we don't get puffed out.
Okay.
Because it's a hard job.
Yep.
Okay, but we'll go round and we'll get fire.
Sounds
Okay?
good.
How was he?
Aussie. You can actually see it starting to smoke there. Is that right?
Yeah, can you smell it?
Yeah. Jump, ready, go, go, go.
Righto, Aussie.
Guys.
Oh, there you go, Aussie.
Getting close, kids. You can actually see it starting to smoke there. So I think we're close to getting that ember.
There you go, Aussie. And that's
Look at
fire.
that. Beautiful.
Then we just keep putting little bits of stick on top and so that it'll catch.
Okay.
And that's fire.
Brilliant.
Pretty cool, eh?
It's fantastic. I can't believe we started a fire with 2 pieces of wood. Pretty clever. So Undi, we're starting to add some more sticks and that fire is going to get bigger and bigger. And then what do we do with all that smoke and what's next?
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll get it a little bit bigger, okay, by keep adding sticks onto it.
Yep.
And we'll wait till it gets nice and really hot, okay? And then we've got some gum leaves that we're going to put on top, and those gum leaves, they won't burn, but they'll create a nice big smoke.
Okay.
And that's how we smoke ourselves.
Very good. All right,
Excellent.
let's keep going then.
Cool.
Undi, it looks like this fire is getting pretty hot now.
Yep.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready to go, mate. So what we've done, we've collected some gum leaves here, okay? We've just respectfully picked them off the trees, okay? And what we do, we'll just smother the fire like this,
Okay.
okay? And then as it burns, it'll create a nice smoke.
Yep.
And so what we're gonna do, each and every one of us are gonna go through the smoke,
Okay.
okay? And what that's gonna do, like I said before, it's a cleansing ceremony,
Right.
okay? So it'll take all that negative energy away and make you feel good after it.
Fantastic. So let's get stuck in, Undi.
Rightio. You can see that already smoking now, Aussie. Okay, and then we just lay that over there like that. And that'll just continue to smoke away like that.
Yep.
So what we'll do, okay, if we want to get all the kids to come through first, okay, walk through the smoke. Maney, you know how to do it, bud. You walk through the smoke, show these other kids what to do. It's like we're washing ourselves, Aussie.
Okay.
Okay, so we wash our hair, we wash our arms, okay? We just make sure the smoke gets all over us,
Okay.
okay? Good boy, Xavier. So Aussie, as the smoke's going around, you can see Choochie's putting it all over his body, okay? So it's almost like you're washing yourself. You're washing away all that negative energy and the smoke's taking it away,
Yeah, wow.
okay? So it'll be really cool, mate. Go and have a go.
Great.
Yep, so jump in, just make sure you get it all over yourself, bring it in.
How's that, Undi?
Yeah, that's
Am I
unreal,
doing
mate.
that right, mate?
Yeah, that's excellent. All over yourself. Pop in there, Winchy. What you've experienced now, Aussie, is something that has been done forever.
Yep.
From the beginning of time, so way back when. Because if you think about it, Aboriginal people are the oldest living culture on this planet.
Wow. Amazing. And to this day, we're still doing things the exact same way they did hundreds of years ago.
Yep, thousands of years ago.
Thousands of years ago,
Yeah.
There you go. What an amazing part of the Aboriginal culture. And I feel really privileged to be part of it. So thank you very much. What an honour, what an experience. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to come along and learn all about the smoking ceremony. Guys, appreciate it.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Kids, I hope you've learnt lots at home. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it inspires you to go and learn a whole lot more about the Aboriginal culture. Stay keen, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.
Wallawani.
If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Aussie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Aussie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Aussie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Aussie, 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 oi! Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of